Well, today is Monday, May 16th. The puppies are 7 weeks old. And I just gave them a couple of rib bones, spare rib bones, and they're just enjoying them. They've been running around, playing keep away with it. And little Pink is there in the swimming pool with the little bone. And anyway, these guys are growing like little weeds. Little Ruby, little green colored girl, is now the biggest. Again, she's about a half a pound bigger than Pink. She's at 12.71 pounds, and Pink is at 12.23 pounds. So almost a half a pound between them, and they're just having a ball. So I didn't put any water in the pool yet. I didn't want them getting all wet, but they like to play inside there. I'm doing this off of my cell phone. My camcorder, the battery's dead, so I'm charging it right now. Didn't think to plug it in. I didn't think it would go dead so fast, but oh well. Hey guys, what you doing down there? Where my puppies at? Huh? What you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, I love you too. Yes, I do. Such cute little baby girls. Such cute little baby girls. Oh, Grandma loves you. You're at the adorable stage. Just pure puppy. We're going to miss these little guys when they're gone. So we know they're going to go to good homes. Well, I guess that'll be it for now. I'll take a video later on once my camcorder's charged up. Bye-bye, everybody.